Hey everyone, welcome back to the Parent Hub. I'm your host, and today I'm excited to dive into 6 super simple 1-minute habits that can transform those routine moments like changing diapers or lifting your baby into amazing chances to supercharge their brain and body development. These are easy tweaks that fit right into your day, backed by research and real-world tips. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about a tiny change in how you pick up your little one that can really build up their neck, back, and core strength. This is awesome for any baby, but it's a game changer if yours isn't a fan of tummy time, since it targets those exact muscles. Usually, we scoop them up by supporting their head and body from behind and lifting straight up. It's quick, but your baby doesn't have to do much work. Instead, try what I call the side roll pickup. With your baby on their back, place your hands gently on the sides of their chest. Slowly roll them onto one side and hold for a second. What's magic here is their natural reflex. They'll instinctively try to lift their head to steady themselves. As a parenting expert, I love how this fires up those key muscles every time. Then just scoop them into your arms and up to your chest. It takes no extra time, but with all the pickups in a day, it's like mini strength sessions adding up fast. Next, let's turn diaper changes into a fun language-building adventure. I like to think of it as being the play-by-play announcer. Just narrate the whole process step by step, like you're commentating a game. For example, okay, time for a fresh diaper. Down we go. Pants coming off. Diaper undone. Legs lifting high, high, high. Wipe time. Swish, swish. Tab sticking on. Click. All done. It might feel goofy chatting with someone who can't respond yet, but this helps your baby link words to actions. Saying up while raising their legs teaches them what up feels like. Since diapers happen multiple times daily, it's repeated practice that builds their word knowledge. Babies need to understand words before they say them, so this stocks their mental dictionary for when they're ready to chat. Wondering about timelines for talking, crawling, or other milestones? I've got you covered with a free guide on the Parent Hub. It covers what to watch for at 3, 6, 9, and 12 months, plus red flags for when extra support might help. Check the link in the description to grab it. Right after that diaper's secure, flip right into a quick tummy time boost. While they're still on the changing pad, gently roll them onto their belly. Get eye level with them and place a hand on their lower back or bottom. This shifts their weight down, making it easier for them to push up and hold their head. Add some distraction with a fun song to stretch it to about 60 seconds at first. It's a quick hit session, short to keep fussing low but powerful for muscle gains. As they build strength, extend the tune for longer holds. Easy win. And hey, while we're on quick wins, take 3 seconds to like this video and hit subscribe to the Parent Hub. That way you'll catch all our future tips on supporting your baby's growth. Don't miss out. Now, we know from studies that reading to kids early creates a huge advantage in language. Research shows that reading one book daily exposes them to hundreds of thousands more words by kindergarten age, sharpening their brain's processing speed. That early vocab and quick thinking predict better reading and school success later. So, make it a habit. Share at least one sturdy board book every day. For tiny ones with short attention, skip the full plot at first. Use point and name. Flip open, point to something, and label it. See the cat? Meow, meow. This directly connects words to pictures. As they grow, you can read the whole thing. Simple and effective. Drawing from insights at top universities like Harvard, this next habit is key for social skills. Echo and engage. It's like a back and forth rally. Your baby serves with a coo, grin, or wiggle, and you return by locking eyes and reacting. Copy their noise, smile wide, or chat back. Keep the exchange going until they glance away, signaling a break. This teaches conversation basics. When I act, you respond. It lays the groundwork for all future relationships and boosts word comprehension when you add language. But distractions kill it, especially background TV. You might think TV chatter helps with words, but studies from places like MIT prove it's the interactive response that counts. TV just blasts words without reacting to your baby. Worse, background TV cuts adult talk by over 80%, muffles baby sounds so you miss cues, and pulls focus from play, hindering motor and problem-solving practice. So, the fix? If you're not actively watching, switch it off. A quieter space means more talk, better connections, and deeper play. Finally, building resilience starts early, especially in those frustrating moments like a toy rolling away or a crawl that flops. Your response shapes if they quit or persist. Use this three-step approach. First, acknowledge the struggle. Oh, that ball got away. Second, encourage gently. You can try again. Third, guide minimally if needed, like nudging it closer. This supports without solving, fostering grit. For a deep dive, check out our video on handling baby frustrations, link in the description. It's a small mindset shift that boosts their persistence and your confidence as a parent. There you have it, 6 one-minute habits to level up your baby's development without extra effort. Try one today and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe to the Parent Hub for more parenting wins, and turn on notifications. We've got tons of resources, guides, and tips coming your way. Thanks for watching. See you next time.